is not only being delusional. What we mean by saying Delulu is the only Solulu is that you have to believe.
Please
like,
don't look at me. I
genuinely. Delulu is the only Solulu. Delulu is the, but genuinely, you have to believe. Genuinely.
I think as actors we all have faced कि हम 9 महीना काम करें वो 3 महीना कि अब दोस्तों अब क्या करें मतलब so it always has that.
Because I have been working for so many years, I have missed out on my childhood. I have not done the masti that you do when you're a child, but I have had full masti. I have stories to tell. I have amazing friends.
If Kush gets $1 billion tomorrow, what is the first thing he's going to spend on?
Invest. You go, yeah, you go to Goa.
I have no idea.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with the maker and cast of Dil Dosti and Dilima. So nice to have you all. Welcome guys.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to start off by asking, I watched the first 3 episodes, really loved it, super fun show. Have to say that.
Why did you say have to say? Oh, you mean like
Like I have to say that, I have to
God,
I deserve it.
She
The reaction
have to
wasn't
say
really
that.
correct
I'm
with
like,
the line.
you don't
You know
have
what I
to.
mean?
Okay.
The director nahi samajh mein aata.
So I want to start off by asking that, you know, the show talks a lot about humility kitni important hai life mein, and it also talks about like, you know, how you sometimes forget where you're coming from when you've reached a certain stage and a lot of other things. Have you ever personally kind of been embarrassed to kind of show your struggle or show the lesser glam side of your life with the kind of people that you are?
No,
That's
absolutely
never
not.
happened.
No,
actually.
never happened.
Actually, with conscious awareness, sometimes when such things happen, that with me, though it happened recently, we were going somewhere to an event and I couldn't find a cab. So I ended up like all dressed up in all my glam avatar and I'm going in a rig and I got out of it and I was like, yeah, but that's my reality right now, which is so cool and it's okay. It's a part of my journey.
Yeah.
Talking about struggles, I think that empowers you. You know, I love talking about my struggles because I think every time I'm reminded of what I've been through in my life, in my career or anything, it just makes me feel like there's like life throws at you some challenges, but it just makes you stronger and it teaches you lessons and you just evolve and become a better human being, and you also are ready mentally for any situation. I think it makes you a better individual. So I think I'm very proud of all the struggles and I own it up absolutely. I think that's what people should learn from their struggles.
What about you guys?
Yeah, I mean it only carves you, your struggles carves you into the person that you are today.
Absolutely.
And I'm only happy that I have seen the good times and the bad times, be it in the personal life, be it in the work life. We've seen everything. Like, I think as actors we all have faced कि हम 9 महीना काम करें वो 3 महीना कि अब दोस्तों अब क्या करें मतलब. So it always has that, like as she said, life throws those problems at you and you have to just face it in a way कि you handle yourself. You don't lose your calm. You
should
don't,
never
you
forget
don't
your
lose.
roots.
Yeah. And I think you have to surround yourself with people who always remind you that you are still you, even though you're not. You don't have your
None of you
work
ever
or-
lied about anything or what like that?
No.
What
Yeah.
happens whenever I speak to actors, they kind of succumb into the pressure of अरे अब तो हमारी show आ गई है Amazon में, अब तो रिक्शा नहीं ले सकते. I'm coming from that perspective.
yeah.
That
No,
that-
I love
That is something which is never going to happen.
Yeah, that'll
Oh,
never.
never.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Never.
And
With awareness, you know, it's
what
not
we did lemon tea after, sorry to cut you off, we did lemon tea after our readings and
Yeah,
all of
like
that.
I
I would
brought
still
Yeah,
love to
got
do
my
that
red-
with
got my
you.
red
to watch
tiny
my show.
miniature scooty every time.
Yeah.
Going for show.
There's nothing to be embarrassed
Can
about.
I just say, watching Kush on a scooty?
It's
Yeah, it's
You
like
came on a scooty.
every day.
Yeah.
He gave me the ride.
Yeah,
Many
both
times
of
to
them.
the set.
Like one giant or one tiny toy. So funny.
It's convenient, right?
Yeah.
So why think so much before doing all of those
Yeah.
things?
Yeah, just be yourself, whatever you are
whatever
absolutely
comfortable with.
Yeah,
And
if
it's
that's your
mostly
comfort,
important
be.
that you surround yourself with those kind of people
Like-minded
who
people.
don't
Yes.
let you उड़ोफाई कि मतलब हाँ oh my god ये सब नहीं मतलब एकदम be grounded, that's all.
जैसे मेरे लिए भी सब कुछ पहली बार ही हो रहा था. And they were like, just be yourself, relax. I'm like, okay, ठीक है, कर लेंगे.
I think that family also मतलब I come from a very middle class family तो उनको पता है कि नहीं वो अब बस बहुत उड़ लिया आज के लिए इतना ही validation और attention
Yeah.
That's the
अब
need of
बस
the hour, don't you think? It's high time that we accept ourselves and be ourselves unabashedly. How much will you pretend? You'll get tired eventually.
I think in the show also a big part of why
Absolutely.
they tend to lie is because you don't realize unconsciously with the friends how they have set up a certain bar for each other.
True.
Like with Asmara, there's so much hype about her going to Canada. It's very embarrassing for her to be like, oh, मैं टिवरी रोड जाके रहने वाला है. Like it's not like, and that is that also comes from the people you surround yourself with.
Yeah.
So I think with Naina also, she lands up lying to her friends because she's embarrassed, because the friends are very, very vocal about Yema. Like that has happened to me many times when my friends have very been like, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this, and I've gone and done it and I've not told them I've done it.
Oh, that
has happened.
That has happened a lot.
That is all I do.
That's not
Yeah.
a struggle.
You know, when you give them advice and then you don't follow it.
Yeah. Oh, and then when it gets pointed back at you, hi.
Oh, hi.
Anyway, sorry.
Adbhut.
But you know, there's also like you said that you know there'll be 6 months where we'll be working and 3 months you don't know what to do, and acting is a profession or filmmaking is a profession where you have to constantly prove yourself, pitch your work. Did you guys kind of ever feel that you know monetary wise, how am I going to make it, because this show talks a lot about money as well, especially when you're coming to a city like Mumbai that is so expensive and everyone has their stories. Surviving becomes very difficult in the city, and also kind of getting a constant income, but then you also have your passion. How did you all kind of survive that?
I mean, for me, I think.
Still at it.
Yeah, I think that's part and parcel of. Part and parcel of. You kind of sign up for it when you sign up for the
Correct.
Yeah.
freelancer project to project life.
Yeah.
So you know,
then you
as
know.
it happens, I think the first time it happened to me, I went full like nobody loves me. I'm irrelevant. Nobody cares. मेरा हो गया एक show के बाद one hit wonder. So I think the first time it happened, I went through all of that. Then second show happened, then I'm like, oh ये तो होता रहेगा मतलब. Okay, so we must try to accept कि होगा. There will be days when you're not doing anything, and there will be days when you're feeling like nobody loves you, and unfortunately, because we're in the kind of industry where so much of it is about audience approval and audience love, you start. That is I think bigger, more than the money struggle, it's the struggling with the mental, not the mental health, but just the mentality of कि कोई बात नहीं यार, अगर show नहीं है इसका ये मतलब कि कोई प्यार नहीं करता तुमसे, तुम्हारा काम valueless है, तो
sometimes those bad days goes through bad weeks, bad months. But you have to
That's
all you have to
okay.
say
You
is it's
gotta make
okay,
do with it.
everything's going to fall back into place. It's
Yeah.
just a matter of time. And
Delulu
And
is
also,
the film.
Delulu,
I don't totally follow it. I'm sorry. I don't know why people take it in a wrong way, but Delulu is not only being delusional. What we mean by saying Delulu is the only Solulu is that you have to believe.
please
like,
don't look at me. I hate it.
Genuinely, Delulu is the only Solulu. Delulu is the, but genuinely, you have to believe. You have to believe. Genuinely. You have to believe. But you have to believe in your dreams and you can't give up. And
Tattoo
that's
करा
what.
दिया मैंने.
क्या Delulu?
Believe.
अच्छा believe. Thank God. I was like Delulu को इतना
Delulu
seriously
का
भी नहीं
tattoo.
लेते.
नहीं, please friends, I promise you Delulu is going away. It is too
It will
ridiculous
go
to
away.
us.
It will go away. What will not go away is Dil Dosti Dilemma on Amazon.
Well done.
On 25th April.
25th April. But no, genuinely, what you said, I think right now also, the year that we are in, the era that we are in, there's so many opportunities that are happening. So you can also see it like that, okay, if one path is kind of like that, you can see what else you can do
Glass
with your
half
time.
full rather than glass half empty.
Exactly. You have to see it like that. Okay, I can't be constantly doing one thing. Let's do multiple things. Like, I would love to learn a language or maybe learn an instrument. Just keep myself ready for any opportunity that comes my way. So then, when the opportunity comes, I'm ready for it. So I see it like that. And money-wise, I think, like Debbie correctly said, it's part and parcel of our
Yeah,
career.
just-
We have to just believe that it is going to happen. It is going to work out. It will make sense one day. So you have to just be like that.
But you know, Anushka, I have to ask you. You started working at a very, very
Yeah.
early age. You
Yeah.
start from television. You've seen every medium. Now on OTT.
Yeah.
You're doing social media. बहुत काम चल रहा है.
जी.
But I also have to ask that. Do you sometimes ever look back? Now you're even a brand ambassador for Korea. There's
tourism,
a lot
yeah.
happening. So you know, as good as life is getting for you and how
Yeah.
well things are going for you, do you ever look back and really miss that you kind of missed out a lot on your childhood, or probably having the most normal childhood जो you know सबका होता है, probably you know having memories in school, college,
Yeah.
because you were so busy working.
True. No, I think I get asked this question a lot because people think that because I have been working for so many years, I have missed out on my childhood. I've not done the masti that you do when you're a child, but I have had full masti. I have stories to tell. I have amazing friends from school that we've spent so much time together. Even now, whenever I'm free, I make sure that I'm spending time with my friends. I always am constantly traveling with my family. If you have noticed that every time I get any time, I will go to a different country with my family because we didn't get that much time sometimes. And now, if I can take those calls where I'm like, no, I want my parents to see the world and make memories with them. And I have to give credit to my parents because the way they made sure that I don't miss out on life.
Right.
They were like, no, you're having a career, you're making these decisions where you're working and you're doing big shifts and lot of projects, lot of things are happening, but education was topmost priority in my Bengali house.
I think it's
Education is
also a
very
big
important.
testament to her parents. They really kept her very. I think it's a big. Like I
It's
think
full
one thing
credit
that
to
all
them.
of us have in common are just
Great
having
parents.
generally
I
slightly.
love her
Uncle
upbringing.
and
Like not,
Yeah.
it's not even about a good upbringing. It's just parents who put you in your place slightly.
Yeah.
They're very like,
Don't
ho gaya.
pamper you
Haan,
like
like
Like how Arshia does.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So they have always been those parents who have let me be myself. My teachers also, my friends. So I have to give credit to the people around me. The people I've surrounded myself with always made sure that I don't feel like a celebrity Anushka Sen all the time. My friends are, hey, chal, like that.
Yeah.
Like they treat me like Anushka the person. And thankfully, as I'm growing up, when I look back, that normal childhood, I think for me was perfect. The way it was supposed to be like this. I enjoyed so much, and I have a long way to go. And I love what I do, and that's why I can't imagine myself doing anything else. Yeah, that would be the thing I would say.
We're gonna go into a game where I'm gonna ask you questions and it's gonna be like I'm gonna test your bond and how
Okay,
well you'll
Pinata.
know each other.
Oh my god! Let's go.
But the point is, these are hypothetical,
Stressful.
okay? And suppose I have a question for her, but she
Yeah.
doesn't get to answer. You all have to answer, and she has to validate it.
That's okay.
I have
Oh.
5 minutes for the game.
Of course.
Yeah.
Game.
Then otherwise, I'll cut my time.
Game.
We'll
Okay.
keep it short and sweet.
Yeah. If Anushka gets angry or upset on a set, what would be the reason behind it?
Someone not being professional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mostly.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Something
100%.
related to work only.
200, yeah, work-related problem, yeah,
Work related.
for sure.
Or if someone tells her it's her fault when it isn't her fault.
मैंने नहीं किया, मेरी गलती।
Yeah.
I know camera
I'm
likes-
sorry.
I know
The
camera
number of times we have called cut and she said, I landed on my mark. I landed not on my mark. I landed on my mark. Like she's like, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैं सही टाइम पे आई. So if someone gives her, blames her for something, which is
Which
fair.
is fair. Okay, if Debbie can't get rid of one habit, what
Oh,
would that
Sugar, oh my god, sugar.
be? Sugar.
Sugar.
That's also poison only.
Yeah.
I know.
So, yeah.
One person is left sugar and one person is taking
Do you
sugar
know there are
for
3
four people.
dimensions of I've given up sugar, sugar is so bad for you,
That
means
was
you're off
directed to
sugar.
Debbie.
All not on the script. All madam has added because she would say it and then she's like, you heard Debbie. So, yeah.
Okay. If Alicia gets a DM from her crush, how would she probably react? From my crush.
what?
Exactly. how
She's
it
gonna
is.
be like,
Oh my god.
No, she's gonna be
know.
full loud about
she
it.
No, she's not.
No, I
She's
feel
very
like, no, wait.
that's
It,
the
it depends on if she likes the person or
I
if
was
the
just
person-
gonna say that.
Yeah, I
Very
think,
good detail.
I think,
So
I
much
think,
like
for,
it.
I
from a
think
crush.
for her, if it's
Yeah,
her
name
crush,
from a crush.
She knows.
yeah,
She
I think
likes
she
it.
has a
Yeah.
crush on her,
Yeah.
person she has a crush on.
Someone has a crush on her.
Then
and the
she'll
person
tell.
has a
Someone
crush on
has
But
a
if it's
crush on
someone,
her?
yeah, then she'll
If
tell.
she has, then she won't say.
She won't
If
say.
someone has a crush on her, then she'll just be like,
She'll be like, yeah, well, I like the attention.
Yeah.
It's nice only.
there'll be a hair flip. Oh, that hair flip that she does.
Yeah,
She
she'll do
put it
this.
behind.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, she's totally validated.
Yeah.
Okay, if Revati has 3 things that she needs to take with her on a stranded island, what would it
Lip
be?
gloss,
Phone.
Okay.
Food.
Food, yeah.
food, lip gloss, and phone. And you said?
No, I don't think
Phone
phone.
she'll take.
Arey, lip gloss also, like lipstick.
Double.
She'll take
She has validated
Double.
Debbie's answer.
Yeah.
Okay. If
I just remember her
Vishaka,
on set being like,
if Vishaka has a Tinder,
double
Bumble,
क्या होता है?
Raya
The
bio,
game.
what would it probably say?
What is a double?
Dobble is a game, card game.
I think we played in the.
If
If Vishaka has a Tinder bio, Tinder whatever dating app bio,
मुझे
what
सुंदर सुशील लड़का चाहिए घर पे लेके जाने लायक
No, हौजी भी मैं तो ऐसी ही हूँ, आप देख लो. है ना? Solely thinking.
मैं ऐसी
हम
हूँ.
तो भाई ऐसे हैं.
Yeah.
Is what we say.
मैं तो ऐसी ही हूँ.
And there be Jipper, and there be
मम्मी को
Jipper
दिखाना
word of doing. When you had just written, I don't know, but whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, and last one, if Kush gets $1 billion tomorrow, what is the first thing he's going to spend on?
Invest.
You go, yeah, you go to
Invest
Goa.
only, I know.
I have no idea.
He'll go to Goa.
Yeah, you'll buy a nice bike.
go to
You'll
Goa.
get rid of the scooty and buy a nice bike.
No, you'll not get rid of the scooty. You can't get rid of the scooty. You will get rid of the scooty.
She's
Oh,
right.
yeah,
Anushka.
intimidating
I
him like
wouldn't.
this how he'll get rid
I didn't intimidate. I'm just talking.
No, I wouldn't get rid of the scooter.
Yeah, he
What
loves
would
the
you do?
scooty.
Gandhi,
Too much.
Kush say
Or
he's going to
travel.
think about it.
$1 billion
He's
why is he
also
selling?
Even he doesn't.
Yeah,
doesn't
I'll invest it.
Right? I'll invest.
Chee.
What an uncle.
No, but that's actually
उड़ाओ
fine.
भाई
Absolutely not.
$1 मिले
I'll invest it and I'll
to the
actually
pilot
I'll invest
concert.
half of it. And now that my parents have retired, I would use half of the money for giving them the life that I really want them to enjoy right now.
Meet
After
Farzan.
retirement.
He's
None of
Yeah, I know
us
Farzan.
have guessed this.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, guys. All the
Thank
very
you.
best.
Thank you, Aina.
for the
Thank
and
you.
the-
Thanks.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you super soon.
Please like,
share and subscribe
to Instant Bollywood. Thank you.
And watch Dil Dosti Dilemma on 20.